Hello everyone. In my last video, I measured and cut a cover for a journal using a brown manila file folder. And this is what I created. What's under this collage stuff. At the time, I wasn't sure about how I would decorate the cover, or even whether I would leave it relatively undecorated, as it coordinated perfectly with the journal pages. And this is the journal. These are the pages, so you can see what I mean by coordinating perfectly. Anyway, after considering all of my options, I have decided to collage the front cover and to make a simple tie closure using this brown ribbon. My name is Laura, and I'm from the Queen of Mirth. I'm also very happy to be with you here today. So let's get started on this. The front cover is actually going to be on this side, but I put the collage together using various images, mainly from magazines. In fact, I think all from magazines. And I'm just going to transfer it over to here. And as I do so, I will glue it. And at some point, I'll put in the ribbon closure. So here we go. I hope you can see this. I have a crazy light above me, and it's making a glare so that I can't see the images that well. But I'm going to do my best. I think it'll be fine. Now, these are under it because there were a few little cracks between the images. I just didn't want the brown to show through, so I'm going to put this, and this is just stuff I cut out of a magazine. So here we go. And I'm using art glitter glue this time, which is a very good glue. I don't know if I'm going to buy it again because it's so ultra expensive, and I found some other glues that seem to be just as good. Nonetheless, I love this one too, and I'm just going to do this. And I don't want any globs because I'm trying to avoid buckling and bubbles. So this should fit just along that side perfectly. Now, more than anything, I want to get these the glue to the edges and in the corners. And I don't want thick lines of it, just nice little thin ones. Now this, maybe would go better this way. don't know why I have this this piece here. So I'm just going to carry on and create something that I think is pleasing, and I like these images together because, well, for the color as much as anything, I think. Yeah, I feel like I've been doing this for so many years, these kinds of things. You know, it's at least 50 years, maybe more. In fact, I think probably more. I'm very, very happy with when I do this stuff, this kind of thing, this gluing and cutting and matching and unmatching and, you know, all kinds of different combinations of things to create something. It's not creating something out of nothing, it's creating something new out of something else. It's giving the you know, the images a new life. Now I want to make sure that the crease that was on the file folder, which is right there, doesn't get glued over. And this isn't really straight, so I'm going to put it this way. It'll be just perfectly fine. There. I'm letting it hang over a little bit, and I'll trim it so it will line up perfectly with the file folder. Yeah, we're already into the new year. It's 2021 already. Time goes so quickly. It's hard to even imagine how fast it goes. Now this is like this, but I suppose that's okay. I may need another image, like another something. It looks like I probably will, which is fine. I have a lot. that it's the same as this side, nice and even. Now, as you can see, I'm leaving this part a little bit looser so that so when the actual journal is placed in here, it won't pull the paper. There will be room for the journal, and there are going to be pockets and whatnot in here, so it's going to be thicker than it is right now, the journal itself. So, now what I'm going to do is just find a nice something that I think looks okay, something like this, just something fairly simple, but that will make the whole thing a little stronger. Now, how big do we want this? Say about this big, maybe? Just a nice little squarish thing. There. So how about that? Looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's actually kind of nice. Why, but it seems to not have adhered on this corner, so I'm just going to pull it up and put a little more glue there. There. Nice. Okay, now how about the numbers? I quite like them. So I could do that, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we want to bring it a bit more over this way. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, for some reason, I definitely don't need that 6. There. 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Really good. I'm so happy with this. Yeah. It's actually quite nice. So when I insert the journal pages and everything into this cover, I'll be able to close it with this very simple tie closure that doesn't take much at all. Just do it this way. Okay, I think that will be good. We just do a regular bow. So that will be the journal. I need to trim these edges, which I'll do as soon as I get off camera. You don't really need to sit through that. And I'll be decorating the pages. I'll insert the pages with a pamphlet stitch. And here we have it. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video and that you will subscribe to my channel. I generally, in fact, so far I've always made 3 videos every week. I put one out on Mondays, on Tuesdays, and on Fridays. So thanks so much for being with me. I appreciate it very, very much. And I hope that you'll press the like button and that you'll subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.